CloudWave, we operate out of 3 data centers in the United States. We do managed hosting infrastructure as a service on our own equipment. We have over 150 hospital customers that range from a 10-bed critical access facility all the way up to some of your major medical centers in big cities. They have huge regulatory requirements. They have a need for new technologies, and we feel we have an offering that can help solve the IT challenge for these hospitals and let them solve healthcare problems. Really, our previous architecture was built on your traditional monolithic storage subsystems, very siloed environments. As a hosting provider, we were setting up infrastructure for each individual customer. And I'd say over the last 5 years, we've started to move away from that, deploy a massively shared system. The biggest benefits I see out of a system that's driven by software and a massively distributed is I don't have to sleep at night worrying, is something going to fail? Do I have a hard drive that went down? Do I have 10 hard drives that went down? Do I even have 10 servers that went down? One of my favorite things is to walk into our network operations center and to see all of the red that shows up on our status board for individual components, but that all of our services show green status. And I think that is the power of a distributed system meant to run on software as opposed to these old monolithic type systems. When we first looked at Datera, I will have to say I was honestly amazed. I had spent close to 4 years prior to the first meeting I had with Datera envisioning a single-tier storage solution that can be at this massive distributed scale, and just hadn't found anything. And when the Datera folks showed up and they gave me their very initial first few slides on what the product was, and I just stopped them right there and said, I'm sold. This is what I've been looking for. We immediately went into a POC, and everything passed with flying colors. We weren't able to find any issues with the system. It performed as I would have hoped. And we're looking forward to moving forward with the product in the future. All of our server infrastructure is powered by HPE ProLiant servers. We have a combination of their blade systems, and then we started deploying some of their rack mount systems as a replacement. Again, a move away from kind of single point of failure type models and almost throwaway type servers. We just replaced our entire environment with a 100 gig backbone, and that's what we did the testing with the Datera system on. And we were outperforming our block level fiber channel storage environment on a Datera system running over that 100 gig Ethernet. The biggest benefit we see at CloudWave with HPE is they have been a partner for the last 10 years. We feel a good amount of loyalty to HPE, and we're very happy that that HPE introduced us to the Datera relationship. Traditionally, we've had 3 tiers of storage, and our lowest tier has been deployed on a distributed system and has been phenomenal. My hope was to start moving to architectures like that. Datera helps us move to that type of reliability and increase our SLA back to our customers.
Learn more about how Datera brings the software-defined revolution to enterprise storage at datera.io and contact Datera for a free consultation.